Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. How y'all doing? Hope y'all are doing good. Today's video, we gotta clean the inside of this truck. It's dusty, it's dirty, and I'm gonna clean it up. On the inside of this truck, man, it is filthy. I mean, absolutely filthy, with dirt, with dust. I mean, it's filthy, and I would really like to clean it up before I start driving in it on Monday. So it is now Saturday, and we're gonna clean this bad boy up. It's gonna be a short, sweet video. Most of it's gonna be time-lapse. So let me show y'all the inside of the truck in detail, and to show you exactly what it looks like. So that's where we're at. I just went to the store and picked up some products. Not much, like the average detailing spray and whatnot. I got some brush, and let's get to it. Got to be clean when you're rolling, man. Can't ride around looking like this. So let's go. Alright, y'all, I just got finished cleaning up the inside. I did it the best I could, man. A lot of this stuff is really caked down, and I didn't have all the proper stuff to really get it up, so I did the best I could with what I got. So here's the finished outlook of it. The steering wheel, gauges, knocked all that dust off. Up on the dash, nice and clean. All the way down, nice and clean. The vent stem, glove box. I couldn't really get this out right here. This is it's like a stain. Try to go around the edges of these panel switches the best I could. A lot of this stuff, like I said, it was just gunked on, man. And remember, this truck isn't brand new to our fleet, but you know, it's brand new to us, so someone had it before. The floor is in a whole lot better shape than what it was before. These are all like stains and stuff. The floor is man, it was filthy, but you know, it's got remnants of like dry, but this is dry, so it's can't really get it up. There's nothing there, but it's just the crease. It's got like heavy caked in dirt and stuff in the crease. Yeah, man. So she's all cleaned up, man. I can ride in her now. Feel good. You know, it's cool when you get to. It's good just to be able to. I'm gonna be in this mug for a long day, so I want to be able to be nice and clean when I'm inside of it. So I'm happy with how it turned out. You know, could it have been better? Yes, but I'm not a professional detailer or nothing like that. You know, and you know, I spent my own money to buy that stuff that I use. Wasn't, you know, it was wasn't a lot of stuff, but pretty expensive, pretty pricey. So I like it. I like it. It's cool. It's good enough to it's good enough for me to be comfortable. You know, it's a work truck. I just didn't want it to be so filthy and dusty. I'm gonna try to keep my windows up when I'm driving as much as possible when I get on the plants. But when I'm out on the street, I'm gonna have the windows down. But the plants, them are real. As you can see, like, you know, it's just dust. Every single plant is like this. So everybody knows this that does trucking, though. You know, it's hard to keep these things clean, but this is a whole lot better. I mean, a whole lot better, especially the floors, man. A whole lot better than what it was. Whole lot better. So once again, I want to thank y'all for tuning into this video, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Next one, I should be driving, picking up a load, and delivering. So we'll see you on that one. Thank you guys again, and have a great weekend.